Hey guys, you're welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. In today's video, I'm going to be taking you guys along with me to do my hair. I'm going to make my hair, and what I want to do is African threading. I know it's like weird, like it's not something I've done, I mean, apart from doing it to stretch my hair at home, but this time around I want to do it properly, like a proper hairstyle, you know, to rock and to carry for a while. Okay, so I think the last time I did this kind of hairstyle to carry and, you know, rock is like 7 years ago or 8 years ago when I was in secondary school. But now I want to do it like a proper hairstyle. I want to rock it, and it's just because I've been feeling like doing it for a while now, but today I want to satisfy that craving. I want to go and do my hair. I want to do African threading, and I want to take you guys along with me just so that you guys can see the whole process and, you know, document it. So if that sounds like something you might be interested in, then you definitely want to keep on watching. So very quickly guys, I already went ahead to detangle my hair because, you know, all these hairdressers, not all of them have the patience to detangle natural hair. So to avoid stories that touch, I went ahead to detangle my own hair. I've put it in sections, so when I get there, she's just going to, you know, take it down and, you know, get to the work immediately. Okay, so yeah, that's something you might really want to put in mind if you are going to a hairdresser's place that you are not so sure, or let me say you don't have any review of the place before. You might want to detangle your natural hair before going there. Okay, so yeah, I just hope this hairdresser gets the exact thing that I want her to do for me. I just hope she gets it. I'm sure you guys have seen what I want from the thumbnail. I'm sure you guys have seen it, so I'm just praying and hoping that she gets exactly what I want her to do for me. Okay,
got me hooked on your love. Think I caught all the feelings. For your kiss, I'm a lush. Every touch sends me reeling. I gotta know where you now. You're on the up, but I'm coming down. I could feel my
Hey guys, so I came back yesterday night and I was so tired. I could not do any video. I could not vlog to update you guys on how on how it went. Okay, but yeah, this is what it looks like right now. And I mean, the pain I'm feeling right now is not as much as what I was expecting. I was expecting it to be very, very painful, but it is not as painful as I thought. Okay, so the pain, I mean, it's not like pain, but I can feel there is something in my head. I can feel something different is going on my head, like compared to what I'm used to. But you know, I can still handle it. I like the way. I mean, don't let me say I like the way it feels, but you know, it's quite okay. All right. So I'm going to like wear makeup and see how it's going to look with makeup. But right now, I think I like it. The lady said she could not do the exact thing that I showed to her. She said she could not do it, and I actually kind of appreciate her honesty, because it's better for her to have told me. It's better she told me rather. It's better she told me that she couldn't do it than trying to do it and not get it at all. So she just told me that she would do something that she can do, and I said no problem, that she should do what she can do. Do you understand? So I mean, and we tried it. Since I'm a hairdresser and I have a little bit of experience in hairdressing, so we just combined our knowledge and we're able to achieve this at the end of the day. So, and I think it's actually kind of nice. It's not as nice as what I showed her in the picture, but I think she still did a good job. And funny enough, she got a client immediately I left her shop, because immediately I left her shop, somebody saw it on my head as I was working, and she asked me, did I just get out of this particular salon? And I told her yes, and she said okay, and she went inside the salon to get it done like immediately. Okay, so yeah, that's basically it. I'm going to wear makeup now and, you know, shoot content and show you guys how it looks with makeup. Okay, so guys, this is it with makeup. I just finished doing my makeup like a few minutes ago, and I think I'm loving it. I actually like it. I really like this part of my face, like this part compared to this part, and this part is actually not bad too, but I really love this part. It looks good. I went ahead to lay my baby hairs, and look at that. I think I like it. I really love it. Okay, if you are somebody that is not, you know, you are not open to trying out new things, I'm not so sure you'll be able to rock it. Okay, I'm not so sure. So let me know in the comment section if you think you like it, if it's turned out well in your own opinion. Okay, let me know in the comment section. I would love to hear your thoughts, and I will definitely catch you guys in my next video. Bye.